It
It's
takes
not
time.
it's not gonna happen over the night.
मुझे तकरीबन almost 6 months to a year लगा है.
अच्छा.
So this is why I had to get her care in place, because my mind had to be focused on what I was doing.
अच्छा, इसमें ये नहीं होता कि जब आप एक दफ़ा प्राइवेट ले लेते हैं, मतलब यू आर अफोर्डिंग प्राइवेट, सो दे से कि आप तो ऑलरेडी प्राइवेट कर रही हैं, व्हाई यू नीड नाउ आवर हेल्प, यू नो, लाइक दैट्स अनदर थिंग.
No, then you, this is the reason I said to them, because I have no option, I have to take this care. I'm doing it now, but it cannot be afforded forever. It cannot go on forever. And as I said, once you, in a way, it demonstrated to them already that she was getting 24-hour care and she needs 24-hour care. और अम्मी का ये है मसला कि you have to prove to them that she's not safe to be left on her own for a minute. She will try to escape. She tried so many times to get out of the house, to escape. मैंने कहा जाना